Back working on the Chevy van today. Gonna have to change the heater core in it. For any of you guys that have trained a radiator in one of these vans, you know that the petcock is hard to get to, and when you get it open, it goes everywhere but in the bucket. So I came up with this. Just cut this bottle, and it drained right in the bucket. Worked pretty slick. So I need to change the heater core in the Chevy van. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the whole dash out to get to it. It's kind of putting it off for as long as I could, but it's time to do it. It'll be a pain in the butt, but get her done. Alright, so I finally got the dash out. It was a whole lot of fun. Actually, it was worse than I remember. Probably because I added more stuff in after I put it together. This is what it looks like without the dash in there. Beautiful. And here's what I was going after, the heater box right here. This one's for air conditioning. I have the one that came out of here that didn't have air conditioning. We'll do a side-by-side comparison after I get this out. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to take this out. Good times. Okay, so I got the ductwork out of here for the defrost, and there was ductwork that went over here for the heater. Now I just gotta get this brace out, and then I think I can get the heater box out. Probably should have recorded this so I could remember how to put it all back together. Maybe I'll record it when I put it back together so you can all watch me struggle. I think I'm gonna call it for today because the sun's gonna go down soon. It's the next day. Getting ready to pull the heater core box out. When you're ready to take this brace out, it goes down here. There's two bolts over here. Put the engine cover back to get to those. And I pulled all the vacuum hoses off. Took a picture first, make sure where they all go. Now I've got a 11mm bolt back in here, and 3, I think, sheet metal nuts on the other side of the wall there, and I think it'll come right out. Get this last bolt out and try it. So this is what it looks like with the heater box out. Here's where the studs go through the firewall, one over here. Here's where your two water hoses hook up. Next we'll go look at the box and compare that to the other box. Here's the box that I just took out. It's out of a 94 Chevy van. Here's the new heater core. Here's the box that came out of the 84 Chevy. As you can see, this side looks basically the same. This box has the thing for the dash vents, where this one doesn't. And this one's all controlled by vacuum, where this one just has a couple of cables. But other than that, they're basically the same thing. Now it looks like I gotta take the panel off of here to get to the heater core. There's some screws down here at the bottom, a couple up here, some like through here. Get that torn apart. Look at the old heater core. Oddly enough, everything to get to this box was metric. These screws are 1/4 inch. Doesn't really surprise me though, everything on this van is built like that. Okay, so the heater core is out. There's a side by side. They look pretty close to the same. This one, you can see there's some corrosion going down through here, so that's probably where the leak was, somewhere in there. So we'll get this one mount it back in and start putting it all back together. Alright, I got the heater box in, got the vacuum hoses hooked up. Next, just put the dash back together. That should be a whole lot of fun, but it'll probably go really fast. If you like, why don't you just time me? Ready, set, go. So did you time me? How long did it take for me to put that back together? Well, I just about have the dash back together. Got the electronics to do. Then I came across these 3 bolts and I'm not sure where the hell they go. So I'm gonna take a minute, see what that's all about in case I have to tear it all back apart. Yay! Okay, so I think I found where those bolts go. Not a big problem. I can start putting stuff back together again. Alright, looks better. Alright, I got some holes that are stripped out. So, I think I'm going to call it for today. And then, should be able to finish it tomorrow. Mostly going to be electrical, like the stereo and lights up under the dash, switches and stuff. Okay, I got the dash all back together. Just got a few things to hook up under the hood, like the water lines and the battery, I think. It went pretty good, I guess. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, comment, share, notifications. Mark it with a B for baby and me. Any I would appreciate. Thanks.